Before a solar panel captures its first ray, or a server records its first data point, before a new superhighway improves how we get to where we're going, you're there. Boots on the ground, hands on steel, assessing risk, doing the work that moves life forward. Building the world of tomorrow. Your expertise is driving the surge ahead to build our future where we work, live, and play. Nearly doubling the U.S. data center market by 2029, adding close to 400 gigawatts of renewable energy capacity by 2030, not to mention the increasing number of advanced medical facilities, and modernizing the nation's transportation infrastructure. Plus, as global challenges shift manufacturing back to the U.S., the new high-tech plants you'll build will multiply semiconductor production and innovation. With a sharp eye on risk, you're laying the foundation for bold things to come, safely and efficiently. Travelers stands behind you from blueprint to completion. We don't see contractors, we see innovators, problem solvers. And who knows where tomorrow will take us. We salute you, the future makers.